Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's found right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and you simply press on the picture. It acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you will be in the know. Also, I need you guys also underneath this video, there's a thumbs up button. If you press it, it means you're enjoying my content, and the number will go up and the thumbs up will turn blue. It is a shout out to YouTube to put my video in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet but enjoy my content. So thank you so much in advance for doing that for me. It's found right underneath the video. It takes a second, but it means a lot. All right, today we're going to be going through the FabFitFun. It is August the 2nd of 2020. It is when the FabFitFun opens for I'm not even going to use those words. The people that pay ahead yearly are the ones that get the option starting today to go in and choose their selections for 5 customization items in their box. I'm going to share that with you because some people are seasonal and they'll be able to see what that's all about through this here, and I'm going to show you how to get to it. And I'm also going to go through a couple of the add-ons because that can be overwhelming as well. And I'm going to show you what I've learned by having this now for a year, how I go through this, because I found it very overwhelming at the beginning. All right, so when you get onto the FabFitFun screen, you will see here that it says View Box and Customize. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the Customize, and then you go in here, and as you can see, I went in ahead of time, but I didn't close it out, and I'm going to explain that to you why. I just wanted to see so that certain things were on the screen for you guys to be able to see. The add-ons, when I looked at it later in the day, yesterday was an absolutely crazy day for me, so I only got a chance to start looking at add-ons, and a lot of the items were sold out. So I'm going to go through it with you to explain to you how this all works, but I want to go through the customization first, because I feel that when you can add on in this section, I think the prices are a lot better. And the deals, I think, are stronger than the ones that are in the actual add-on section. I did find a couple of the items in the add-on section of products that I knew that I was able to get at a better price on a Boxy pop-up or in an Ipsy deal. So I want to make sure that the percentages off are there. I'll show you everything, but I just want to go through the customization first because I learned a lot by doing this for about a year now. So this one here, it says select more choices for $15 each. This only comes up after you choose one of the items. So the one that I chosen here is called the Botiker New York Trigger Backpack. And if you want to learn more about the products, there is a button underneath that tells you can learn more. And that's what I'm going to do after I finish filming to see if I want to add any of these other items on, because I'm not that familiar with a lot of these items. But I can select for another $15 this curling wand, this tote, each one of these separately, this cream and finish cream, the cotton basket, the canisters, as well as the Stila mascara and waterproof liquid eyeliner, which is a really good, the liquid eyeliner I've used and I enjoy. I don't know much about their mascara, or you can simply choose to let them choose for you, and that's what the surprise me button is. The second choice here, and then everything here started today on the 2nd, but for the people that pay ahead for a year, they have until the 5th at midnight to be able to make their choices, and then it gets opened up for the people that are seasonal. This one here, it says select more choices for $15, so this also is additional $15. What I chose on this one for myself that I want 100% in my box is the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare, but like I said, for an additional $15, I can choose to put in the removal device, the woven scarf with the fringe, the hidden pocket scarf, or these two items down here, which is the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, which is a fantastic product. That one I'm familiar with, but the other item I am not, so I got to learn more about that. It is a celery green cream. And that is all for the second customization. For customization 3, the choices here, if you add the additional items, those are $10 each. So for this one, what I chose was the bracelet, which is the Austin cuff. But for another $10, I can choose these blue light blocking glasses, this multivitamin mask set, this other from the same brand that did the bracelet, this pendant, and then the last item in here for a choice is a Beauty Bakery proof in the pudding palette. This is a repeat of an item that I've gotten from them in the past. It is an excellent palette, and for $10, it's a fantastic, fantastic price if it's one that you don't choose as your choice. The customization for the choices are that you can add for $7 each item. After your choice, they have a glass water bottle. They have the Anastasia Hills Clear Brow Gel. They have from Skin & Co. the Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. I'm very impressed with this brand. A few products that I've tried from them I've really enjoyed. And then they have the original coffee scrub as well as the one that I chose, which is from this brand Feel that I just got introduced to a couple of months ago, I think, and I'm really impressed with this brand. It is their Pumpkin Walmart Facial Cleanser. And then again, you have the choice where you can let them choose for you. Then on customization 5, this surprised me because they're saying additional choices are no longer available for this question. This was a tough one for me because the price difference of all these items in here was a little crazy. One that I chose was a hair oil because that one to me was the only one that had a pure value. The other choices were 3 hair clips or a cutlery set. This is where the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil. This is a fantastic product, but I've gotten it in add-ons more than once for $2 or $3. So that's why I was like a little questioning this whole area. I've also had the opportunity to try this Harper exfoliating sugar cubes in Juice Cleanse. I am not a huge fan of this product, but this to me is another repeat that they put in here as well. And then once again, you have the Surprise Me. And then you can confirm to submit, but I'm not going to do that right now simply because I want to look and learn more about a couple of the other items if I want to add them to the cart. But what I want to show you guys is in reference to the add-ons. And the add-ons area here gets opened up, and how it works, and you have to be so careful, is whatever you put in your cart by the 7th at midnight, just before midnight, whatever is in your cart, you will automatically be billed for and it will be shipped. So you have to be really careful because a lot of the girls put a lot of the items in their cart to make sure they're going to get it, and then they start depleting it out of their cart. So when I first learned about add-ons, I didn't know that you can break it down, and everything in here, as you can see when it says all, there'll be pages and pages and pages of these type of products, and they're a real mix. You have home care, you have body care, you have makeup, you have home goods. It's like a whole bunch of different products. So what I've learned and what I've done in the past that has helped me is, if you can see up here, there's these little areas here where it says my favorites. What that means is, let's say this item is one that might be sold out, or it's one that I want after I finish doing all my shopping. If I click on that and this little heart will turn red, at the end I can simply, instead of going through and scrolling through everything again, I simply go to my area that's called my favorites. Then they have shop by trend. They have fall box brands. So if I wanted to just get anything from Beauty Bakery, I would go into here. If I wanted something just from NCLA, I would go here. This just helps you to break it down so you're not so overwhelmed with how it all works. Then you have shop by trend. They have bundles, which I think are the best deals within here because they really take a mix of a lot of different products. And then they have beauty, which they break down to nails, makeup, tools, brushes, hair, bath care, and skincare. Then they have fashion, home, tech, wellness, and boxes. But I always focus for myself on the beauty area, which I'm going to go through with you. And then I also going to show you a couple of things that can help you make a decision as well. So In the corner here, it says 50% off. So you know that that's the discount you're getting off the full suggested retail price. I'm going to scroll through this really quickly, so this is not a long video, so that if you want to take it, you can pause and you can look, you know, at it slower. But there aren't that many options for beauty, and that really surprised me. So these are all the options right now that are available. And then the one area I want to get to is, you see here, we're already into what I call the sold out area. And that's why I say to always double check. If you want, you can still put your heart in there, because a lot of these girls put a lot of products into their carts and then they deplete it afterwards. So even though it's saying sold out now, don't get totally disappointed until after the 7th, because like I said, a lot of the girls pull the items out of there. But as you can see, I'm still going to scroll a little bit so you guys can see there were not that many products that were in the makeup area to begin with. So that's everything that I wanted to share with you guys today here about FabFitFun. I'm going to go in, finish looking at my box to see if there's anything I want to add to it, but I wanted to stop and share this video with you guys so that you guys can see what it's all about. Once again, I appreciate any time that you guys choose to spend with me. Thank you so much. But mostly during this time, it is so important that everybody still continues to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.